Switch functionality. A network switch is a network hardware that connects devices on a computer network by using packet switches to receive and forward data to the destination device. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that uses MAC addresses to forward data at the data layer of an OSI model. How do I set up access points? If your career allows it, you can view your APN settings in one of the following locations: setting/cellular/cellular/data option/cellular networks, settings, mobile data options, mobile data network. An IP address or Internet Protocol address is a series of numbers that identify any device on a network. Computers use IP addresses to communicate with each other, both over the Internet as well as the other networks. A NIC provides a computer with a dedicated full-time connection to a network. It implements the physical layer circuitry necessary for communicating with a data link layer standard, such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Each card represents a device that can prepare, transmit, and control the flow of data on the network. Wired network adapters. These are NICs that have input jacks made for cables. The most popular wired LAN technology is Ethernet, USB. These are NICs that provide network connections through a device plugged into the USB port. An end-user device is a personal computer, desktop or laptop, consumer devices, personal digital assistant PDA, smartphone, or removable storage media. For example, USB flash drive, memory cards, external hard drives, writable CD or DVD that can store information. A device configuration is an arbitrary, user-defined blob of data sent from cloud IoT core to a device. The data can be structured or unstructured. It can also be any format, such as arbitrary binary data, text, JSON, or serialized protocol buffers. Device's configuration is persisted in storage by cloud LOT core. LOT thermostat is a device that can be used with home automation and are responsible for controlling a home's heating and or air conditioning. They allow the users to control the temperature of their home throughout the day using a schedule, such as setting a different temperature at night. A network switch connects devices within a network, often a local area network or LAN, and forwards data packets to and from those devices. A security camera is a video recording device that captures footage of your home and property that you can view on a smartphone, tablet, or computer from anywhere using an internet connection. Wireless door locks are systems used to lock and unlock doors without the need of electrical wiring. They are usually powered with an internal battery support system. All non-door applications have not been considered in the scope of research. Voice network means the infrastructure and other network resources used to transport voice traffic associated with voice applications, including wireless landlines, voice over IP, and voicemail. A smart speaker is a type of loudspeaker and voice command device with an integrated virtual assistant that offers interactive actions and hand-free activation with the help of one hot word. Demilitarized zone, abbreviation demilitarized zone, is a middle ground between an organization, trusted internal network, and untrusted external networks such as Internet. Port forwarding. In computer networking, port forwarding or port mapping is an application of network addresses translation that redirects a communication request from one address and port number combination to another while the packets are traveling a network gateway such as a router or firewall. Network address translation is a method of mapping an IP address space into another by modifying network address information in the IP headers of packets while they are in transit across a traffic routing device. Universal plug-and-play is a set of networking protocol that permits network devices such as personal computers, Wi-Fi access points, and mobile devices to discover each other's presence on network and establish functionality network services. Whitelisting and blacklisting are two methods that control access to websites, emails, softwares, and IP addresses on networks. Whitelisting denies access to all resources and only the owner can allow access. Blacklisting allows access to all with the provision that only certain items are denied. MAC filtering. In computer network, MAC filtering refers to a security access control method whereby the MAC addresses assigned to each network card is used to determine access to the network. Quality of service is a description or measurement of the overall performance of a service, such as telephone or computer network or cloud computing services, particularly the performance seen by the users of the network. Encryption is the process of encoding information. The process converts the original representation of the information, known as plain text, into an alternative form known as ciphertext. Ideally, only authorized parties can decipher and a ciphertext back to the plain text and access the original information. In telecommunication in general, a channel is a separate path through which signals can flow. In the public switched telephone network, PSTN, a channel is one of the multiple transmission paths within a single link between network points.